20 meters high, 9 meters in width, and contains 1,600 tons of sand.
We are now inside the sand filter, and my colleague Anton is using our custom-made vacuum pump to extract the sand. He is extracting layers of 6 centimeters at a time, which will result in about 1 ton per bag. During the operation of the power station, the sand filter was used to purify noble gases from the bottom upwards. This means that the lower we come into the sand tank, we will have slightly higher levels of contamination.
Our goal is to recycle as much sand as possible, and for each layer removed, we take measurements and sample to determine the amount of contamination. If the test values are determined okay, we send the sand to a landfill, and our goal is to send about 90% of the sand to this site, and the other 10% we send to a final repository. This is a win-win. The sand can be reused and we reduce the amount of waste.